Figs or anjeer, as people know, they're superfood for gut health. They're delicious fruits that are packed with various nutrients and provide a wide range of health benefits. This could be in the form of fresh figs or in the form of dried fruits. Let us uncover in this video all the super health benefits of this wonderful fruit. Please do not forget to subscribe to this educational channel that is based on science and facts rather than opinions in digestive health. Firstly, figs are fantastic for improving digestion. Most fruits are rich in fiber and are great for helping in our digestion. So figs are no exception. Figs provide the prebiotic nutrients. Prebiotics are essentially food that we can give to feed the gut's good bacteria. Having healthy good bacteria or the gut microbiome in adequate quantities can reduce inflammation in our body, can help strengthen our immune system. Figs are great natural remedy for constipation. They are good for people with irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, especially those IBS patients who are suffering from constipation. In one study of patients with IBS where there is constipation predominance, those who ate figs regularly experienced less bloating, less abdominal cramps or discomfort, and also reduced strain when passing the stools. Figs have both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps in softening the stool. So it absorbs the water, creates like a gel-like material. So it's easier for the colon to remove the stool easily. The insoluble fiber in the fig adds bulk or heaviness to the stool. So if the stool is heavy and bulky, it makes the job of the colon easy to get rid of the stool. Eating a small handful of dried or couple of fresh figs can be a simple way and a natural way to get relief from constipation and fixing your bowel health. Figs are high in antioxidants such as flavonoids, phenolic compounds that help fight inflammation in our body. Fiber and the antioxidants in figs reduce the risk of various chronic diseases, including cancers, and that includes colon cancer too. Figs are great for heart. They contain several nutrients that support heart health, including potassium, magnesium, and the good fats, the omega-3 fatty acids. Potassium salts help in improving the blood pressure by balancing the negative effects of this sodium in our body. The fiber quantity of figs helps reduce the LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, and helps improve the good cholesterol, which is the HDL cholesterol, thereby contributing to the heart health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Figs can also help you with managing your weight. They are low in calories but very good in fiber. So this helps you to keep full for longer. So if you're feeling full for longer period of time, this reduces your chances of overeating, and adding them as a snack or eating with meals can curb hunger or these sugar cravings, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Figs are packed with various essential vitamins and minerals that our body needs on a daily basis. Vitamin K, that is important for bone health and also helps our blood to clot properly. Vitamin B6, that supports our brain function. Vitamin B9 or folic acid, that is essential for cell growth. Copper, that is needed for energy production and also help the iron metabolism in our body. Iron, that keeps our blood count good by boosting the red blood cell production. Figs can improve your skin health too. Various minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants in figs contribute to a healthier skin by promoting the cell regeneration. The vitamin A, the polyphenol compounds in figs have these anti-aging properties that helps improve the elasticity of the skin. So it reduces the premature wrinkles in the skin appearing. Eating figs can help improve the skin texture. It can help reduce the abnormal pigmentation in the skin and can give you a radiant glow to the skin. Figs are also good for our bones, being rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K. All of these are important nutrients for maintaining stronger bones and preventing this bone mineral loss, what we call as osteoporosis. Regular consumption of figs, especially for older people, can help with this bone mineral loss or the osteoporosis and can also help improve problems of constipation associated with old age. Lastly, figs are highly beneficial for our eyes too because they contain vitamin A and beta carotene, which plays an important role in maintaining good vision and also can be protective in age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration. So figs are not just sweet and delicious fruits, but they offer a wide range of health benefits, not just on our digestive health, but they are good for heart, skin, bones, and eyes. You can incorporate 2 figs every day, either fresh or dried figs, as part of your healthy, well-balanced diet to get all the nutritional benefits that your body requires. Thank you.